Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. First and foremost, it is Thursday, August 25th, just at the New York close here with us at Target Trading Academy. And we are going to get right into our Micros Market Recap, starting with micro oil. We opened above the close from oil yesterday and had some immediate buying, and then they just decided, you know what, that's high enough, and we got the sellers stepping in. You can see them fighting it. They finally broke it down, and we are ultimately finishing net down for the day in oil. Gold, if we just take a quick look at gold, we opened above its close and had an immediate drive down and then a rally right out the gate as well. But it was short-lived, and they brought it down, and then just pretty much went sideways for the rest of the day. Pretty anticlimactic in gold. Speaking of these two markets, first and foremost, oil had quite the large HVA edge, so there was very little participation, only really two possible entries today off of those levels. And remember, these levels are given out the night before to our students so that they can get them on and be ready for that evening or in the morning before the market opens, or if they prefer just trading here in the pit, for the pit as well. So keep that in mind. Everything is drawn the night before for our students. Gold did finish net positive for the day. Our equities for the past few days have been starting out strong the first hour and a half or so, and then just getting choppy afterwards, and today was no exception. We had an opening right at the range high from yesterday, opening above the close, and we just shot straight down, and well, they said no thank you, and just had a ton of volatility step in and get to this HVA edge and just blow right through it, and then went sideways, and then sellers stepped in, and it started getting choppy, but you see that support held for a good portion of the day, and then this last 30 minutes or so, they had a nice rally, making some new highs for the day, and ultimately closing net positive on our day end there for us. Similar story in the NASDAQ. Had some initial selling, but we went sideways this time. They could not break through this HVA edge. You can see how well it held there at that level. Again, these levels are given the night before. I cannot stress that enough. Given the night before to our students for them to use. And then they shot up sideways, and then it started getting choppy, that volatility. But you can see the support that held on the way back down. But this area here, just very choppy, and you can see, well, that resistance there held as well. And then, again, that last 30 minutes, they had a nice little rally in the end. So NASDAQ finishing net positive as well. Pretty short and sweet and to the point for today. Nothing too special. It's kind of been how it has been all week. Like I said, nice volatility for the first hour or so, and then it just gets choppy, and then the last hour, 30 minutes, more volatility. So very sporadic. They're just picking and choosing when they're coming in and out of the market, being a little bit more surgical, I would say, in their executions here, these big boys, and not really fighting it out with each other and just letting the little guys eat each other alive, and that's why it's going sideways, in my opinion. Again, this isn't financial advice by any means, but just from what I'm observing. But if you are interested in learning more about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, or learn how to trade futures, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find our page on Facebook, or go to our website at targettrading.co. Yes, that's targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either place. They'll be glad to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.